Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I actually just tried to make a video about 10 minutes ago as we were peaking, but unfortunately it didn't load. So now this is my second attempt. Hopefully it gets out to you guys. But guys, this is my area of concern right here for a pullback. It's coming in right around the 48,300 area to the 47,700 or 47,890 area. Okay. So this is where I would be looking for a pullback. This is my danger zone box. Um, so yeah, guys, this is where I'm looking for a pullback. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But what an awesome day. I hope you guys took that trade on Solano earlier, my videos, because, that went up, 15%, I believe, after I made the video. So that was awesome. And, we got these bounces, guys. We got the bounce here. And guys, listen, I know I got some feedback from some of you guys about the 37 area and stuff like that. Look, guys, good traders, we make adjustments on the fly. I made that video days ago. If you check out my video that I made days ago about confirmation to the upside and to the downside, you guys could check where I was standing. And I said, at the time, 45,000 above there, we can moonshot it, okay? Um, in between there, we'd have to look and see what happens. Well, the chart changed. We had a W. We had this W bounce. I called the W at the bottom. Okay, I told some of you guys here at what was it? You can even look on Twitter at 42,700 area, 42,800 area. I told you guys this would be, or actually no, it was below that. I'm sorry. It was 42,500 area. So, once the W breaks, you guys can take that trade. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. And some of you guys that did, you guys killed it. Or you could wait for the 43,400, or you could wait for the 45. There was a lot of different areas to look for to get into this. So you guys should have been in this well before this move happened. And now we are looking for the pullback. I am so upset, guys, because I just did a video about this 10 minutes ago when we were actually just peaking, and I was trying to get this video out to you as quick as possible. But now what are we going to look for the downside? If we do come to the downside, guys, I'm looking at 45,500 area to 45,000. If we get a 4-hour candle closing under there, then I would be looking for this lower end of my target at 42,832 and 42,500 area. That would be my next downside target for maybe some kind of bounce. To the upside, if we do continue to the upside and we do break out, okay, so we are going back up, it looks like. Okay, so if we do get a daily candle close above, let's say 48,400, this would be looking very, very bullish. I would like to get above this high right here, this previous high. I would like to get a daily candle closing above that, which is coming in right around 48,825. I am calling out these numbers because some of you guys have had earlier when I made a video, I was really excited and I was kind of just, hyped up, just, throwing things out there. And I wanted to get everything right for you guys. So this is just a Bitcoin update, afternoon update on Bitcoin. And I just want to make sure everything is clear. So I'm calling these numbers out to you guys because some of you guys said you couldn't see. Okay. Now, if we do go to the upside or we get a daily candle closing above even my purple box or this previous high would look even better, which is above, like I said, 48,830. Let's just say 30 area. If that does happen, I would look for this potential 51,357 and 52,820 area. Okay, so those would be my next targets to the upside. To the downside, I think we spoke about that. Now, if we do get a candle closing, like I said, under 40,000, a daily or 4-hour, then I'd be looking at my targets to the downside here around 38,285 and 37,311 area. Okay, those would be my targets to the downside. If we do get a daily candle closing under the 40,000, I don't think we have to worry about that today. But guys, this can happen over the weekend. Saturday, we could get, a closure under 45. I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm just saying you always want to be prepared for the downside and the upside. We always make adjustments. That's what good traders do. That's what we just talked about. So this is what I'm going with. Okay. Now some of you guys could have took this trade on this channel. We got the bounce. You guys could have took the trade on the bounce. You could have took the trade on this W. You could have been more conservative, took it on up above the 44,400 or the 40 or the $45,000 area. But either way, guys, um, you know, if you watch my videos, you guys should have been in these moves and making these moves. And I'm just happy for you guys that sub and do watch my channel. So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Show me love back, guys. I'm doing these videos for you. Make sure you guys sub and make sure you hit the bell, hit the all, because I am banned off of TradingView. And they do shadow ban my videos on YouTube as well. I guess it's a crypto thing. But in my video, guys, I did have this area circled. This was on the daily. Let's go back to the daily. Okay. I had this area circled right here because since this is the 50-day moving average, which is coming in right around, looks like around 446, 650 area right now. And this is the 200-day moving average, which is coming in right around 45,240 area. Okay. And since we did get this cross right here, if we do get a daily candle close above here, and then the next candle stays above here, this would be our golden cross if the 50 can hold. The 50-day moving average can hold. This would be considered a golden cross. Because we crossed last time we were down here, this wasn't a golden cross. You can't have a golden cross if you're under it. You can only have it if you're above the moving averages, guys. So just remember that, okay? And remember, I want to get above this next daily high. That would look very, very, very bullish. And I have that circled, but I already told you guys the numbers on that. But yeah, so we do have a golden cross on top of this, on top of everything else that's happening in the market. So everything's looking good right now, but things can change, guys, because most of this happened. And look, I'm going to show you this. We're going to go to a 3-minute chart. Let's scroll back. Most of this happened in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Boom. Okay. And usually when something like that happens this quick, a move like this happens this quick, it usually comes down that fast. Okay. So, but the markets are looking good in general. The stock market's looking healthy right now. We're going into the weekend. Everything's looking good. We're above the moving averages. So, yeah, could there be continuation here? Yes. But this is my danger zone, and I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm not saying go all out here. I'm just saying be aware of this area, okay? Because this is the area we want to break. All right. Um, and for some of you guys that took that Solano trade, when I said Solano is going to just absolutely explode, it got down to 149, and then last time I checked, it was at 163. So, and it got up to 165. But guys, here's the thing about Solano. I don't want you guys FOMOing in. I had 165 as major resistance and 170, and 165 was the high so far today, and that is major resistance. So I wouldn't just necessarily FOMO into it right now. So be careful on that. But everything's looking good. I think I went over everything. We got the bounce here. Let's see. We talked about this zone here. We talked about the golden cross, moving averages on the daily. Oh yeah, look, this was another thing, guys. Now I never touched this line right here. I had 46,752, right? And I talked about this being an area that I'd be looking for. Well, we went above it, but then we came back and we bounced off of this area. And that's what started the all-time high right now. Okay. So let's see if we can get my first warning sign would be a 4-hour candle closing under that area. And then my biggest warning, like I said, would be definitely under 45,000. Okay. We'd get a 4-hour candle closing under 45,000. we're probably going to hit the 42 mark that I talked about earlier, the 42,832 and the 42,500 area. Okay. And then I would look for that as support, guys, before anything. Okay. So I think that's it for this update. Unfortunately, my first video was a lot better. Um, but hey, it is what it is, guys. I'm getting this out to you. I'm gonna get it out to you as quick as possible, just in case we do start coming down here. Much love to you guys. Listen, I'm gonna put a link to Weeble in the description and a link to my Twitter in the description. And you guys can get some free shares and get some free Shib, because Shib's been doing really good. You guys took advantage of those free shares, and you guys, I don't know. I don't know if they're still running the Apple promotion where you get the Apple share, which was worth $150. But a couple $100, you guys are doing pretty good on that Shib deal now. So congratulations to all you guys. Listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Make sure you guys hit that sub, hit the thumbs up. Help me out here, please. Please hit the sub, guys. Sub to my channel. I'm working my butt off here for you guys. And I'm not making any money off this channel. And in the future, when I do make money off this channel, I want to give the money to kids. That's my goal. I'm not doing this for any other reason. So make sure you guys sub to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Much love and peace out.